anyway.
Need fat pants.
No sugar.
Embrace the fat.
No.
No, right.
Good morning. 7 o'clock. Just gonna get some brekkie, edit this a touch, and then we've got a catamaran that I'll speak to in a bit. Check in with down at breakfast.
What my daddy grows. What my daddy grows.
In the mountain. This is where my daddy goes. It's a little bit cold. This is where my daddy grows. Way up in the mountain.
Get the blue one.
Oh, bad. Crept in.
Yay! Ready, brother?
Oh! Very good.
We're coming.
Hit him, Tim! Don't hit him, Tim. Don't do it.
Oh.
You remind me of that one.
Of which?
She was trying for
Just getting ready for the boat party. Little drink, electrolyte. Start with dying.
Everyone stay within your group and
very low cost that was still a high caliber.
Nice.
come on in, the water's fine. There's a few little ones. Real bad man.
Real bad man.
No fish, it's just grass. So we're at Doctor's Cave Beach. We've just rented jet skis. We're going back on that thing. Going back over to Montego Bay. So we've got an hour here. So we're doing a bit of jet skis, fly about. Oh yeah, down at end. Let's go there. Someone fell off here. They went, they did like a really narrow turn, and then both just went, whoop, flipped off. We had to open back on. Come on, girl. You'll do it. I feel sick. Couldn't really wait. Never come back here.
Think we're recording. We're recording. Sound. So, me and Marcus are at the steakhouse. 1 week. So, we're having a steak. Marcus has got a Jamaica top. Got some wine. We just had a shot of sambuca because we felt like this whole time we haven't been drunk on holiday, and it's not inclusive and you've got to be drunk on holiday. I get drunk really easy. If I'm in like Morley spoons, I have 2 pints and I'm on the floor. So,
But tonight we've had a busy day, we've done loads of sick stuff.
and we're going to get fucked up.